Ndugamano gatagati ka bunge ya Senate na kanjo ya magavana bururi-ini ni thiite na mbere gwakiriria kurumirira miario ya magavana muthenya wa ira magikuruhania kamiti ya Senate igie guthurima uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi CPAC na gukorwo ikimanyamaria na kumetia mahaki. Umuthi maseneta makiria kuma kamiti ino makumithia miario ino ta igeria ria magavana kurira wira wao wa gigatiba gutariria uria mahuthirite kigina kia muingi.
If you come here with embarrassing records, we will embarrass you. If you come here with embarrassing responses, we will embarrass you. If your audit reports are an embarrassment, indicative of theft, we will not bembeleza you. If your physical appearance is an embarrassment, we will embarrass you.
They embarrass themselves by the things that they are doing with the public resources that they've been given. It is embarrassing that a county can spend money on frivolous things like those. It is not Sifuna who expended that money. So they come here unprepared, no proper documentation. You try to follow a conversation, they run away from their own documents. It happens here all the time.
If what you're doing is right, utaogopa. If you're doing something wrong, utaanza kuoanika.
Magitongorio ni Speaker wa Senate Amason Kingi maseneta moritie kanja ya magavana gwithema kumahaka ndoro matari na wira wothe. Goko makimera gikorwo mari na wira wothe wa mateta maya makoretwo na mumeyumirie na gutemania wira ucio honge-ini iria ciagiriire.
Instead of gossiping and mudslinging, provide evidence to support any allegations that you might have on the conduct of members of the Senate. But we will avail ourselves very readily and very quick if the conversation is about the drought situation in the 23 counties.
Because the Senate is constitutionally mandated to summon your people so that you can account for the resources that you've been given by the people of Kenya.
The Council of Governors has to be told in no uncertain terms that there's 67 senators and they think if you substitute Sifuna with somebody else, that other senator will ignore the fact that you spend money on Christmas lights. Which senator in that house did not take the oath Sifuna took? All of us will ask about how you're spending money.
Kuhitukira ndumiriri muthenya wa ira magavana maraniriire kugomera cikaro ciothe cia kamiti ya CPAC kumana na mateta maya mao. Nginya riria makagia na gikaro na utongoria wa bunge ya Senate gwetha kihonia kia mateta maya. Umuthi maseneta makihita kwaga kunanira njungwa na magavana aya makiria maundu-ini megie guthingatithia uigiririku wa uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi.
But we are concerned that the Council of Governors is becoming a gossip club, and that the Council of Governors is becoming a trade union to defend impunity. We will not avail ourselves as a Senate to discuss gossip.
Baba would have been a very sad man today to know that a majority of the senators being accused of harassing, extorting governors are actually no DM.
Umuthi kanja ya magavana ikihithuria ni irikitie kwandikira Speaker Kingi makienda kugia na gikaro nake niguo kwaririria maundu maya. Makihinyiriria ti kurira marorira wira wao wa gigatiba wa gutariria uria mahuthirite kigina kia muingi.
Something's got to change in that particular committee. We've been accused of suspending the constitution. No, we're not suspending our constitution. Yes, we respect Senate's role in oversight. All we're saying is it must be exercised responsibly.
Nona thegia wa mikaneno ya muthenya wa ira gavana wa kaunti ya Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu ni akinyirie mbere ya kamiti ino muthi gutetera mahuthiro ma thirikari yake ya kaunti. Igoku gavana wa kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata ngathirie gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino toria agutanyitwo.
Ushered out by the Sergeant at Arms.
Gerivotera Kameme TV jitagwo Mwaura Wagunya.
Have a safe journey.